So for the deep conditioner, we're going to need a wrapped avocado, an egg, and honey. Let's get started. So this is it out. I've combed it out, and it's just a lot. It's so dirty. But yeah, we're gonna wash it. Just come out of the shower. And this is it, all washed and conditioned. Here it is. Actually kind of stinks, but all I know is good stuff. So I did wash my hair and let it dry for a bit. The reason why I did that is because I wanted to really remove all the dandruff and make sure that the product is really going into my scalp and not on top of the dandruff. Just the fingertips as well, just massage it in. I'll tap on. So 7:41 we'll go wash it out and then just come back and do all the moisturizing, etc. So yeah guys, drying it, and then I'll just add some moisture to it when it's dried a bit. But the shea butter and just put it along the first thing. You see the little glow I'm getting from the shea butter, or is it just the cream? But I'm getting that Ghana glow, you know, the Ghana glow. But I'm in the UK. I do need to do a bit of trimming my ends because it's looking quite, the ends are beginning to split. Really thick, like it smells amazing. Part here, nice and clean. I love it. It's so satisfying. But yeah. That is it until tonight. I have to put in 4 plaits and then sleep or my hair will get hard. But yeah guys, that is it. I'm still figuring out what to do with this. I feel like my other video about my skin works with the rashes and texture skin, but with these spots, random as well, and it's always here. I've definitely reacted to something, or this is puberty spot, but I've been having my puberty. But we'll see. I'm still trying things out, and if they work, I shall definitely share. So you guys, I hope you like this video. You already know what to do, and I shall see you on my next video. Bye y'all.